Hey guys, so today we're gonna make coasters, and I have here the coasters primed with just a plain white paint. I found these coasters at a closeout store. They're wood, and I paid $2.99 for 4 of them, but they do have some oil on them. They were oil, a wood oil. But what we're going to do today is I have Olga Soby's secret recipe mixed up here. I have some Amsterdam white, titanium white with a little of this brown mixed in, which is called burnt umber. I have Pebeo's precious gold already mixed up. I have copper by Liquitex mixed up. Okay. And that's it. So we have 4 colors here. So I'm going to start with my white and brown mix. That's our base color. Okay. We're going to go in next with our copper, which is from Group 1. Next with our, try to get that back in the middle there. Next is our brown. Probably have a little bit too much paint on these, but that's okay. And then we're going to go in with our gold. Pop our bubbles. And then I'm gonna blow. That's it. Kind of tricky when you're working with a smaller space like this. Excuse me. It can be tricky. And guys, this is my first video. Be patient with me, please. Ooh, beautiful. I love that one. I'm gonna try to work the paint. I hope you can see this off the side there without losing too much of my beautiful cells. What do you guys think? Maybe a little bit too much brown in there. I really wanted the copper to be more of a focal point, but I think these are still beautiful. I have paint all over my hands. I'll wipe that off here. I'm going to torch, get some of those air bubbles out. Yeah, again, it's kind of tricky to get those beautiful cells that you want when you're working with such a small space, but I think these really turned out pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have this set on a little tiny flame. Otherwise, it kind of, like, it's a dangerous flame. You know what I mean? I think it turned out pretty. Let me know what you think. I'll show you the dried product.